cool.
I know.
But I'm a much better Spider-Girl than you.
I don't think so. I'm a Spider-Woman. Okay?
Yeah, but Spider-Woman is nice and old, and she can't do as much. So watch this.
Ow.
Caw.
Are you ready to be surprised?
Are you gonna do suicide?
Hey, it's on low battery. Hurry up.
Oh!
Sounds like your wrist one. I think I'm just gonna go to Dunkin' Donuts. Stop me.
Caw.
Watch this.
Go, you're on.
Oh.